Hey there everyone, today let us see how to add a decal onto this face. Um, I recently made this tennis ball. Uh, Let us see how to add a decal onto it. Alright, so how do we start? Let's go to the, the SolidWorks add-ins. You need to go to Photo View 3D, and then it might take some time to load. It's going to add a tab to your toolbar. Once it does that, we go to edit decal. After you see that it's going to ask you for an image file. So if you have any image to put onto this face, you can just browse for it. I have my images saved in logos. That's my image. I say open. It's going to show you the image on the display there. If you want to save it as a decal, you have to save it as a .p2d file and not a JPEG or PNG file. So you say save decal, and then it'll take you to wherever you want to save it. Just select P2D. I think that's what is the default. And then it's going to save it as a .p2d. So it says save, and it's going to ask you whether this folder needs to be added to your default decal folders. So you say yes, and then you go to your appearances. There you go. It's going to show you on your decals page there. So you hit that, select the decal, and then just drag it onto the face you want it on. Right now you won't be able to see it because I have a appearance on it. So let us take it off. Here we go. Now let us put the decal on it. There you go. Just move it to the center. And now you can basically play with it and do a lot of stuff. If you want plain background, that is what the PNG is for. You can say use decal image alpha channel. It's going to take the background off, and then you could just use the mapping and rotate it. There you go. You have the decal onto the face of the ball. Now you can go ahead and put an appearance on this. That was yellow. There you go. And that is how to save a decal and apply on a face. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for other videos. Have a nice weekend.